Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make a PDF file on your mobile phone. So in this case, I'm on Android, but I believe this will also work whether you're on an iPhone. Okay, and it's a relatively straightforward and simple process. So for example, if I go into my camera or my gallery and then I click on this particular photo, if I now want to turn this particular photo into a PDF, all that I will need to do is click on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you see things like details, copy to clipboard, set as wallpaper, but you want to click on print. Okay, click onto print, and there it will say select a printer and how many copies you want, paper size. But there on the right hand side of select a printer, there's a downwards arrow. You want to tap onto that downwards arrow, and then you want to click on the first result here that says save as PDF. So tap onto save as PDF. So if this tutorial did go ahead and help you out, go ahead, like the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.